This is AUDiM Radio TV. Model is KH-TVR320. This is the battery compartment. It uses AA size battery, 3 pieces. And the part here, this is on and off switch, DC in. This is USB 5 volts and the earphone jack. This is 3.5 mm stereo jack, but the output is mono. The part here is for the FM and TV antenna. The front part, it has this monitor and the buttons. The buttons are this inverted and this non-inverted triangle. This is for your tuning. The plus and minus sign, this is for your volume control. The circle, this is for your band selector, TV, FM, and AM. The square, this is for your monitor on and monitor off. At the same time, if you press and hold this one, it will scan the channel. For example, if you select TV, if you long press this one, then hold, it will scan TV channels in your area. But take note, this unit is a digital TV. This is a One-Seg TV. It cannot pick up analog TV station, only digital TV stations. Here in my place, I can only pick up one channel, channel 38, and that is GMA TV. Now I'm going to turn this on. Let's start TV. This is the TV. Sad to say, I have only one channel. I'm not really familiar with the other channels here in Cebu City, Philippines. But I scan already. I can only pick up one channel. This is channel 38 and this is GMA. And this is the digital TV. This is the volume control. This is the band selector. And I'm on FM. This is the FM. This is the AM. As you can see, I cannot scan channels because my AM is not yet rechanneled. So I'm going to share how to rechannel. If you are first time using this one, just press and hold this square button. If you like to scan TV, then press and hold this one. If you like to scan a channel on FM, press and hold this one. Since I'm on AM, I'm going to press and hold. It will scan the channels, and let's wait until this scanning finish. Now I'm in a 1600 kilohertz. Let's wait a little. It will stop scanning. There. Now it has this channel. I can now select my channels here. And back to TV. And if you like to plug this one in a USB, then I have here a USB. Just plug this one and it will change the icon here, the battery icon. It will change into an AC plug. Back to battery icon here. And that's all about this AUDiM Radio TV model KH-TVR320. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Stay updated always. Thanks for watching.